How to change your region in Riot account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your region in your Riot account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up the Riot account's official website. You can head over to riotgames.com and sign in using your account. After you've done that, if you hover over the My Account option, you will see the settings. Head over to the settings, and after you're on settings, under Riot ID, you should find that there is the country and region listed. Now, if you try to tap on it and change it, it's not really possible from here. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the support that's right above here. Tap on support, a new tab will open up. And again, you might need to sign up or sign in here. So you can tap on sign in on the top right, and after you tap on sign in, it will take you to another page where you will have to sign in. And after you're here, you will see a different options here, a lot of options. And after you're here, what you can do is you can tap on submit a ticket. Now, after you tap on submit a ticket, just choose the account of the game where you want to change your region. So let's say that I want to change it for Valorant. So I'll just select Valorant. After you select Valorant, you'll need to choose a request type. Now, under here, you can simply choose account management. So let us just choose account management. And after you choose that, it will take you to this page here. Now, again, choose your platform. Now, let's say this is my PC. Now, type in if subject, change region. After you do that, you will have to select your inquiry. Again, select account management. And under here, you'll need to select your inquiry. Now, under here, there is an option about changing your region of residence. So select that. Now, you can check your updated region here. If you feel that your region of residence is listed incorrectly, they can help. So you can check, and if they say that they are not able to find it or give an error back, you can simply head over to the description, type in your problem, and then tap on send. After you do that, after you submit this very ticket, they will get back to you with the issue solved, and they will just help you solve the issue. And that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.